Hello, this is Brian Casey, and we're here at HIMSS 2023. We're here right now with Dave Wilson. He is Vice President of Marketing and Communications at Enlitic. Dave, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me, Brian. It's great to be here. Great to be back at HIMSS.
Yeah, great to be back in Chicago. So can you tell us a little bit about Enlitic and what the company does and what its mission is?
Sure. Our mission in life is to build a real-world evidence database for medical imaging, to help radiologists and the radiology departments develop research and quality initiatives, performance benchmarks, that type of thing. And we're going about it in a little different way than most companies. We're looking at how we can leverage the power of AI to look at the medical images, normalize the studies and series descriptions, take that data, protect it, but maintain clinical relevant data, and then put that into a database that's easily accessible, integrated with the other systems that are in the hospital, and then analyze that data using some large language model analysis or some sort of AI analysis as well to help improve the workflows, improve the capacity that radiology has or needs, and to make them more efficient.
So you guys aren't really developing AI to analyze pixels and things like that?
No, when you look at the point solutions that are pathology-based, point solutions, they're a race to the bottom, and they're hard to integrate. They take forever. They're very expensive, and at the end of the day, the hospitals are paying the price trying to get those things implemented. Our approach is to still use computer vision and NLP to look at the data, but instead we're looking at the images to make sure that a CT chest and a CT lung that are acquired exactly the same are normalized as a CT chest. So when you go to look for a patient, or you go to look for a cohort of patients that are the 42-year-old female Hispanic patient with a positive lung nodule, you can find all of the patients that have that because it's been normalized in the database. So that's kind of our goal behind that. And then the second step to that is to make sure that we're using AI to recognize where the PHI is in the image. And that allows us to then not just blank and blindly delete fields, but to actually find where that PHI is in the pixel data, in the metadata, in the DICOM data, to make you more confident that what you're anonymizing is going to be anonymized.
Got it. And what are some of your main products?
So we've got two on the booth that we just released at the end of March. Curie Index is our standardization product. That's the one that takes a look at the images and determines what the series description should be and then normalizes them. And then Curie NCOG is the de-identification and anonymation tool that allows you to go through and make sure you maintain that clinical relevance while protecting the data. It's all delivered on the Enlitic Curie framework, which is the communications and integration layer that allows us to be able to bring in DICOM, HL7, integrate to other things like the PACS and the EMRs and that type of thing. And it also delivers those two applications, the NCOG and Index.
Got it. So that's what you're talking about here at HIMSS.
That's right. That's
cool.
What we've got.
Any other things you're seeing here at the show? It seems like traffic has been pretty good. Any other trends you're seeing?
It's been not too bad. I mean, last year it was kind of slow. It seems to have picked up a little bit from last year. So it's good to see that everybody's coming back. Thanks for coming back.
Thanks, everybody.
But I've had a hard time getting around to look at things. We're still talking about interoperability.
Yep.
We'll talk about it forever.
Yep.
That's one of those areas that we're kind of focused on solving. If you solve the data normalization, data governance problem, you can solve that interoperability challenge. So we're seeing that's still a popular theme here. And of course, AI, everybody's doing AI. It means something different to everybody. And again, we're trying to use AI to solve some of those core challenges.
Great, awesome. Well, Dave, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for coming by.
Great, have a great show.
Thanks.
All right, signing off from HIMSS 2023, my name is Brian Casey.
Enjoy the show.